Well guys, it's been a long journey learning how to work on this. It's first time working on a Corvair. It's been about 7 months, learned a lot. Well, let's go talk about where we're at right now with this and take our first spin. Well guys, this is where we are right now with Blueboy. I don't know, we put about maybe 35 miles on it or so. Jill and I drove it around a few times. We got the shifting working pretty good. Gary had came over and showed me how to do dwell. We did the timing on it again. He kind of taught me how to do the vacuum gauge on it and tuned it a little better, so it was running a little better. It still has a lot of little things that need to get done on it. The torque converter is leaking a little bit. Gary says don't worry about that, let it wear in a little bit. I've heard that from a few other people. It's running and driving real nice and smooth, shifting really nice. It still has lots of little things that need to get done, but it is running and driving. So I need to do just a bunch of little things on it. I got a whole list going on, but so far we're happy with it. It's great. It's been a very, very good, great experience learning on this. Since then, I'm already working on Bob's from the Corvair Club. We did all the oil pan gaskets, valve cover gaskets, transmission gaskets, fixed a bunch of stuff on it. So that's been on a rack for a couple of days because I told Bob I'd help him get working on his. But anyways, we'll go take it out for a little ride and show you how it is, I guess. Going good on it, other than we got some, few issues to fix. The blinkers, what is wrong with the blinkers is the little sheathing around that. It's not a cable, it's like a wire that goes up and down. There was a clamp on there we took off because it was hanging off and it cut your leg, and we took that off. We figured out that was a problem. They're just all little things, the wing windows need a little taken care of. It's got just a armrest on the driver's side that's loose, but I'd like to put one on both sides. It's missing the passenger front sun visor, just like little things. I need to hinge the back. I want to hinge the back door over the motor and make some. I want to make some recessed locks in there to lock it down, and it's tweaked a little bit. So there's like a bunch of little things to take care of. I got a whole list of stuff. The antenna's falling off. I want to get the correct antenna on it. oh, what else? The radio's hanging here, and when we looked at that wiring, the wiring is just all spliced up and junk. So it's just all little things to take care of. I think the little rattle we got back there is the cover because it's not latch tight, and just little things to take care of. But other than, and cut this stupid up a little higher, this tint across the front. It's like, you know, unless you're a really little short person. But it's fun to drive around, and it drives really smooth with those Monroe shocks, I think. The exhaust, I don't know, it's, you know, it's a little on the louder side. Some people don't like that. It's not bad when you're inside. Gary loves it. He's like, I love it. He's like, I just love it. And then he said it's easier to tune, like, for hearing, dual exhaust, because when you tune each carburetor, you can pretty much hear it individually. It's a little harder with you know, all out of one exhaust pipe. So Gary's been teaching me a lot, and I hope the videos are helping. And you know, it's been a great experience learning. I'm feeling a lot more confident working on these things. Yeah, steering wheel's out of whack here a little bit. I need to realign that so it's straight. I got new tie rods to put on it. Just all little things to take care of. Stuff like that. So, and I picked up a set of 3 torque thrust rims the other day, so I'm going to clean one of them up and use it for a spare so it matches. Just little things like that. So yeah, we're kind of, you know, venturing out farther and farther and taking a little farther journeys and drives, because, you know, you don't know what's going to happen, if something's going to break down or something, but it shouldn't, but you never know. So it's been great. Thanks for watching the videos and giving me input, and I hope you enjoy all this. We'll be working on other stuff. We'll be posting videos on probably the 64 would be the next one we'll be working on. That one shouldn't be that much work, you know, to get her going and down the road. And that'll be like the first car I'm working on, other than the 64 I'm working on now for Bob from Cactus Corvair Club. Got that on a rack, doing some work for him. And kind of get all these people now. I get a call every week wanting to be looking for parts or working on their vehicles, and I'm like, I'm really not a Corvair mechanic. I'm just learning, and so. Anyways, as you can see, she's driving pretty good down the road. You know, we're just going 40, taking our time, futzing around town here. Took her for a drive by Jill's parents yesterday. Took her dad for a ride, kind of around the park and stuff, and he enjoyed it. He's like, it's been a long time since I've ridden in an older vehicle. It's just fun. And then you drive around, you get these thumbs up from everybody and looks and waves. It's kind of cool, you know. And like I said, growing up, I've never seen a Greenbrier. I've never seen one driving down the road, or a Rampside like this. I've just never seen them. So it's very cool. I love it now, you know. It was very frustrating with this build, with all the problems, you know, rebuild and leaks, but it was very good learning for me. So I got to get over to Gary's and learn how to build carburetors and stuff like that. He's a great teacher, and I really appreciate Gary helping us learn. And he really wants to get the videos out to teach people, you know. There's not a lot of out here in Phoenix. There's really nobody out here that works on Corvairs, and you know, I would start doing it out of my shop, but I'm not quite as confident, you know. But I'm learning, you know. So I had a guy came over with his Corvair. He wanted me to go over everything, a 65, and get everything taken care of. And I think I could take care of all of his leaks and a lot of the little things, but when it gets into bigger problems where you got to start tearing motors apart, I'm not the guy right now at this point. But anyways, yeah, it's fun, and it's just fun. Okay, Corvairs are fun, cool. Corvair people, owners are cool people. really enjoy them. So all I can say is